Mm-hmm. You're absolutely right. I should be putting all that back together on that and getting it all finalized. But instead, gonna pet that dog. Yeah, we're gonna go on a tiny little adventure again. It's not conducive to completing this project on a timely matter. It's actually going to pick up one or two more other projects. What a beautiful day out there. Beautiful day. See them crows? I don't know if you can see them. They're patiently waiting. Yeah. Blue sky, sunshine. Oh, hang on a sec. There we go. Now, they should start coming in again. Come on, dog. I know you want to play, but come on, dog. Atlas, come here. Well, we'll give him a minute and come back. They were just touching the ground. They're disgusting in all the best ways. I didn't push record for my cold start, but this Duramax, she starts up pretty good. It's brisk. There's the highway we're going to drive down. What's this? You come along for the ride, did you? Well, we needed a battery. Come on, you might as well ride up front with me. Yep, got the trailer on again. But this time, you're going to get to see what we're grabbing. But we're still a long ways away, a couple hours. Well, we're on an adventure. I'll stretch my legs. We're still driving. What's going on? It's foggier than it was. We're following something that we were coming to get. So at least something is driving home under its own power. There's probably one on the trailer too. Anyways, back to driving. quite honestly, I didn't need this one. I am sure that there's going to be a couple of parts that I'm going to be glad I got it. But what a piece. Yeah. However, there's another one over here. It's in a slightly better condition. Hang on. We're checking in with our driver here. In a couple of words, can you tell us how the inside of that thing smells?
Pretty raunchy.
You heard it here. Raunchy. I was thinking year-old jizz, but raunchy works. Oh,
Big money.
slowly getting their money back.
Yeah.
As I mentioned before, there was a smell in here, and once we flipped up the third row of seating, didn't even know it was there. So it's getting an air out and a clean out outside. I already started vacuuming and remembered that I hadn't grabbed the camera to document the filth. But it's all the way through. I think that pocket's full of French fries. We're gonna go have a look. Oh, some kind of goodies and treats in there. Anyways, all right. You get that vacuumed out and the seat flipped up. Found out these ones flip up too, but we're gonna go to the other side. It's so much better. Like this is just a quick vacuum job to try to alleviate some smellage. I don't know what some of that stuff. I don't know what that is.
Check this stuff out.
We were already looking down here. Jim says it's gooey. Gooey. I'm not eating any of that. Not for $5. No microphone. Down and dirty. So, no, we didn't get the front back on that, but it's kind of sitting there the way it's supposed to be. That is very close to where it's going to sit. But on to newer and probably not as good of things. We're missing a front drive shaft in both units. This was how the exhaust was put together. That was just touching. Yeah. There was some haywire. That piece is Gandhi now. And why they wouldn't have, should have taken a video, it was welded to here with a little bar. Like, why wouldn't you pull that down? Pulled that down, done it kind of properly-ish, but whatever. Looks really good so far as rust goes. This ground needs to be redone, so, you know, that's not so bad. And we'll look at this side, and she's pretty good. There's, you know, a little bit starting, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Oh, shit. That's not good. It's also even worse on this side. But if we look at it from this angle, it's even worse yet. Facebook Marketplace, you know? It's true what they say. It's true. It looks not too bad overall. That one, it's not good. The plan was to pick up 2 and fix 2. Like, the whole side's done, and this rust that you can see, that carries through on both sides. This one was supposed to have a transmission that was good. It's not good, because that one up there, the transmission has no reverse and no first. But see, gone. However, this is the only tear in this entire interior, and this is the only thing not quite hooked up right, which I can figure that out after. But this interior is much nicer. It doesn't stink. Even after cleaning the other one out, it still stinks. So, like, it came with a pile of goodies too, I won't lie. And it's not clean, but it doesn't stink. The other one, the stink is just, it's there. Okay, we got the battery out here so we can get the power seats to move, take them out a little easier. But I think the whole carpet's coming out of that one. So, sorry about the wind noise. Sorry about the wind noise. Otherwise, though, it's the end of January, and look at this beautiful day. That is blue skies and sunshine. If I ever did see it. T-shirt weather, end of January. Anyways, gonna get back at her. Oh, this is the collection of repayment so far, various tools, a brand new light bulb. These I already had. Fishing lure, jug of coolant, almost a whole brand new electrical tape. This I already had. Anyways, back to work. All right. With no help from anybody watching, it's out and on the floor. Thanks, James. You're already been changed at least one time. Must be a weak point in the Dodges. I'm not a big Dodge guy, so I don't know. But there it is.
Stood up to a whole bunch of shit and abuse I put it through.
Yeah. Yeah. James has got a Dakota out there, and
3 engines, no trannies.
so why is this one eating him up? Stay tuned. We'll make it better. Yeah. We'll just turn that off for a sec. You never know. One day I might make $10. One day. So, I got a little bit of a rocker to patch there that I didn't see from the other side. That's the old transmission. That's a replacement transmission. Got no front drive shaft. We have 2 transfer cases to choose from. I am going to use the one that was in it, and there's that one if need be. And the interior is starting to come out of the other one. All the seats came out, and we're looking good. Anyways, you know, I use dielectric grease all the time. And since all this is unplugged and apart, I blew out every plug, and everyone's getting a little shot. Oh, yeah. I think that is enough for today. We got exhaust hanging, but it's not hanging properly. Let's bang and clang this around a little bit. So the parts Durango had exhaust from this oxygen sensor back all the way right out. We managed to get it out. This one has a cat with new O2 sensors on each side of it. I think that they had cut out once and put back in. I just got to reattach that. Transmission's in, transfer case is in. This is part of this, so we'll be dealing with that momentarily. Rear drive shaft is back in. And it just looks so good. We'll be back on that shortly. But every now and then you gotta do something else. And tune in next week for the exciting conclusion.